Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x minus 2 square root divided by x minus 2 is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we solve this problem for two methods. Here we discuss our first method. In the first method, we move the term x minus 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as x minus 2 square root is equals to x minus 2. And further in the next step, here we need to remove the square root sign from left hand side, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as x minus 2 square root and its whole square is equals to x minus 2 and its whole square. Further, we have this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here x minus 2 is equals to, here in the right hand side we need to apply here the nice algebraic formula into the right hand side, and it will be written as x square minus 2 times of x into 2 plus 2 square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x minus 2 is equals to, this is x square minus 2 times 2 becomes 4x plus 2 square becomes here 4. Further in the next step we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as, this is x square minus 4x plus 4, and this is plus x becomes minus x, this is minus 2 becomes plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and this will be written as, here we add or subtract the like terms. So this is x square minus 4x minus x becomes minus 5x plus this 4 plus 2 becomes here 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that after little bit simplifications we will get our given equation into the quadratic form, and here we use the factorization technique to make the factors of this equation. So for this, now here we break its middle term, and it will be written as x square minus, this is minus 5x, we write it as minus 2x minus 3x plus this is 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, here we need to take common x from first two terms, and we get the remaining values are x minus 2, and here we take common minus 3, and we get the remaining values are x minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to take common x minus 2, and when we take common x minus 2 from here, and we get the remaining values are x minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 3 is equals to 0. From here we get the value of x is equals to plus 2. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of x is equals to plus 3. This is the second root of the given equation. So here in the first method we will get there are two roots of the given equation, and now here in the next steps we need to verify that is this values of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 2 square root divided by x minus 2 is equals to 1. This is our given question statement, and here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 2, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 3. So here we verify both of these two roots of the given equation, so that we substitute both of these two values into the given question statement. So when you put x is equals to 2, and here it will becomes here 2 minus 2 square root divided by 2 minus 2 is equals to 1, and when we put x is equals to 3 on here, it will becomes 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 1. So here we need little bit more simplifications, and we determine about the solutions out of this problem. So if you see here, this will becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 1, and we usually call that 0 over 0 form the indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if a 0 over 0 form is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that x is equals to 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we need to verify the second value. So we have 3 minus 2 becomes 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1, and you see here 1 equals to 1. This shows that the second value of x, that is 3, is satisfied our given question statement. So we have the solution set of this problem is x is equals to 3. So this x is equals to 3 be the solution, and x is equals to 2 be the extraneous root. So this is our final answer of this question, which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 2 square root divided by x minus 2 is equals to 1. This is our given question statement, and here we use another technique to solve this problem for the values of x. So here you know about that if you have any number a, we write it, if you have any number a, we write it as square root of a multiplied by square root of a. So in the same pattern you see here, this is our x minus 2, we write x minus 2 as in the form of x minus 2 square root multiplied by x minus 2 square root. So we replace this x minus 2 as in the form of this product, so that our given question statement is written as in this form. This is x minus 2 square root divided by square root of x minus 2 multiplied by square root of x minus 2 is equals to 1. Further we have this x minus 2 and this x minus 2 are gone, and we will obtain here 1 divided by square root of x minus 2 is equals to 1. So this implies that we move x minus 2 square root into the right hand side, and we will get here 1 is equals to x minus 2 and its whole square root. So further in the next step we need to remove the square root sign, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring this will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we will get 1 square is equals to 1, and in the right hand side we get x minus 2. So here we move x minus 2 from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get 1 plus 2 is equals to x, and we easily get the value of x is equals to 3. So this is the only one value of x which we get here in the second method, but in the first method we already verified that x is equals to 3 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is x is equals to 3. This is the only one solution of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting videos.